In this video, I'll show you how to download a GitHub project and run it on your laptop. First, go to the GitHub repository and download the zip file. After the download is complete, extract the zip file and open the project folder in vscode. Then open the terminal. Navigate to the project directory using cd and run the command python manage.py runserver. Then go to the backend server link. You'll see the CRUD operations table. From here you can add, update, delete and list the data. If you face any issues running this project, feel free to comment below.